Welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to log out of your Etsy account. To log out of Etsy account, first of all, launch open a web browser and type in etsy.com in the URL box and make sure that you're inside the home page of Etsy. Now go to the top right corner and look for the profile drop-down or the Your Accounts tab. Click on that, and in the pop-up, scroll all the way down and look for the Sign Out button. Click on Sign Out to sign out of your account, and you'll be landing in to the home page of Etsy. This time you have successfully logged out of your account. So that's how you easily sign out or log out of Etsy.com on your computer or your laptop. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned till then.